Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pinto beans better. First, drain and rinse your canned pinto beans very well to wash away extra sodium and improve their natural taste. Next, sauté some diced onion and minced garlic in a pan until they are soft and fragrant. This simple step creates a wonderful aromatic foundation for your beans. Finally, add a tablespoon of your preferred fat, like bacon grease or olive oil, for a richer flavor. Now, let's talk about spices. Add about 1 teaspoon each of cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika to your sautéed aromatics. These spices will give your pinto beans a deep, authentic flavor. For a balanced taste, consider adding a small pinch of sugar or a splash of apple cider vinegar. Finally, stir in some fresh chopped cilantro or parsley just before serving to add a vibrant, fresh note to your delicious beans. Achieving the right texture is key. After adding your beans and spices, let everything simmer gently for at least 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to fully combine and deepen. For a creamier consistency, take about 1/4 of the beans and mash them directly in the pot with a fork or potato masher. If your beans become too thick, simply add a small amount of chicken broth or water until you reach your desired consistency. Your improved pinto beans are now ready to enjoy. These flavorful beans make an excellent side dish for tacos, burritos, or grilled meats. You can also serve them as a hearty main course. For an extra touch, garnish your beans with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh pico de gallo. They are incredibly versatile and delicious. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.